So, you've found out you need a party wall notice and you're wondering, can I just serve it myself? Short answer, yes, you can. The Party Wall Etc. Act 1996 allows a building owner to serve their own notice. But before you hit print and pop it through the neighbour's door, there are a few important things you need to know. First, a party wall notice is not just a courtesy letter. It's a legal document. It starts the statutory clock, gives your neighbour formal rights, and opens the door to surveyor involvement and costs. If the notice is invalid, those timings never legally started, and everything may need to be done again. To serve your own notice properly, you must serve the right type of notice. A Section 1 is required for new walls at the boundary line, Section 2 for works to a party wall or structure, and finally a Section 6 is required for excavations. Address it to the correct legal owners, not just their first names either, but whoever is on the land registry title, and be sure to include any long leaseholders where relevant. Include all required information, such as your details, the address, a clear description of the works, the relevant sections of the Act, and the proposed start date. Observe the notice periods. These aren't guides, instead statutory timings before works can commence. The timings are at least 1 month before starting Section 1 and 6 works, and 2 months before starting Section 2 works. For Section 6 excavation notices, you must also attach plans and sections of the proposed excavation and foundation. Overlook this, and the notice is invalid. If you're on very good terms with your neighbour, and the works are simple, a DIY notice can work. But if you get it wrong, you risk delays, extra cost, and potential disputes. If you'd rather have it done correctly first time, we can draft and serve compliant party wall notices for you, track responses, and keep everything Act compliant and simple. If you need assistance with party wall matters, give us a shout today.